You know, when your enemies, they try all by means to destroy you and to tarnish your name, and everything fails. This is the case we're talking about now, the Mkwanazi case, where like people like Nkabinde, today his plan failed. His plan failed. And then yabana into my mover yidlozi, guys. I mean, as they said, Uguti, before this evidence or whatever is presented at the ad hoc, they say it goes through a lot, meaning the lawyers, not the lawyers, the law people or whatever, like before. Then Chigi, he could not even the people, Laba Beba Menzela, this David, Uguti, the dates, okay, October, November, then September, but then we are izwa nje ingqondo yakhe ukuthi Nkabinde wanted to say ukuthi Brian Mokgotsi umazela ngumkhwanazi when they went to Lisukisiki, and then he le ukuthi no, mina the first time when I heard or like whatever, like heard about Brian Mokgotsi, it was via Umkhwanazi when I was in Lusigisi. Then all of a sudden everything crumbled as yabilika into yabilika. Hey, zithini izithakazelo zakamkhwanazi? Hey, zithini izithakazelo zakamkhwanazi? Guys, yabana manje mina ngitshela amadlozi wami ukuthi nina akenibhekeni kwamkhwanazi ukuthi benza njani, ngoba bayenza into yabo ukuthi babathe bathi hey wahlaselwa masela wahlaselwa yini umkhwanazi, kodwa nje idlozi lakhe lathi not under my watch, and today umuntu guys, angazi if who saw it the last minute ubathi uyachaza ukuthi hi guys ulikhanyana ima kancane, hey save your statement for the next coming whatever appearance, and umbona ukuthi manje useka yatatazela. Ngisho ukuthi bamfonele ukuthi stenge nguwe, kodwa nje idlozi lakamkhwanazi lona lasebenza. I can shame lona liyasebenza li-busy up and down because of they are trying to destroy Umkhwanazi, and high shame. Today failed mission, failed. We salute. Hey, ngicela nje ningipheni masini nishone ilona izithakazelo zakamkhwanazi, please. Ngicela ningitsheleni zona so that mangiqala ngithi yabo, yeah, and then yazini hayi yo yeah, Nkabinde yena lamlahla yo guys, I know Nkabinde went down the drain quick, and then bamhlafuna ungena arrogant hey lapha akudlalwa no, but then I don't know, like we've had other whatever appearances and all that. This one, I don't know what made this one special, but then it did make it special. I don't know how, but then it made it special. But then mina ngisho ukuthi hayi shame amadlozi wakamkhwanazi wona, shame ayabereka. Sengizatshela bami ukuthi yazini ake niye lapha niyobheka le nephew man, bhala nama notes, hayi we salute.